Are you wondering which app can boost your productivity the most? Today, we're comparing Raycast, Alfred, and Spotlight. Each tool helps you find files and launch apps quickly, but they have their own unique features. Raycast is a newer tool that focuses on speed and efficiency. It has a sleek interface and offers a lot of integrations. You can easily connect it to other apps you use daily. It also allows you to run scripts and automate tasks, which can save you a lot of time. On the other hand, Alfred is a powerful application that has been around for a while. It provides a customizable interface and lets you create workflows. It's great for users who want to tailor their experience. Alfred also has a clipboard history feature, which is really handy for copying and pasting. Spotlight, built into macOS, is simple and effective. It helps you search for files, apps, and even web results. While it's not as feature rich as Raycast or Alfred, it's very easy to use. Just hit Command plus space and you're ready to go. Now, let's look at the key differences. Raycast shines with its integrations and automation. Alfred stands out with its customization and workflow options. Spotlight is best for quick searches without any setup. When it comes to features, Raycast offers a modern experience with many add-ons. Alfred gives you powerful tools for customization, while Spotlight keeps it straightforward and simple. In terms of pricing, Raycast is free with some premium features. Alfred has a free version, but its full potential comes with a paid upgrade. Spotlight is completely free since it's part of macOS. So, which one should you choose? If you want a modern tool with lots of integrations, go for Raycast. If you love customizing your workflow, Alfred is the way to go. And if you just need something quick and easy, Spotlight will do the job. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.